In this video, we're going to be looking at incline bench curls, which is performing a bicep curl while sat on a bench. And we can vary the incline to be a little bit lower or a little bit higher. One of the benefits of the incline is that the arms can come right down towards our side, get a great stretch through the biceps. It also takes away any jerky actions that we get from the lower body and the trunk. We can't lean back too much, which are techniques we can use if we're trying to maximize the weight that's been lifted. However, often with isolation exercises like this, we tend to want to isolate the muscle and just concentrate on working that muscle through a full range of motion under control. So let's have a look at a few reps. Sitting on the bench and lay back. From there, dumbbells at my sides. Now I can start in a neutral position or I can turn my palms round so there's a little bit more stretch through the biceps. Either is fine. Obviously the benefit of the neutral grip is we can turn round to get the supination of the forearm, which as we know is one of the actions of the biceps. Benefit of being in this preacher style curl position is we often get more stretch through the bicep at the bottom.